Hi guys, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gently clean the lace of your closure or frontal at home. This method only works on buildup that was caused by using a water-based adhesive such as Bold Hold Liquid Gold, Bold Hold Jelly, Got2Be Glued Gel, or the Got2Be Glued Spray, any other lace spray. It basically works on any adhesive that is water soluble. We're going to start with a mixture. I like to mix a small amount of shampoo with warm water. Let's say a dime-sized amount of shampoo with warm water. The water does not have to be hot. As you can see, I can still use my fingers to help dissolve the shampoo in the water. And then you only place that part of the lace that has the product buildup on it in the shampoo mixture and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, you take it out and gently run your fingers through the part where the buildup was. You'll probably see that most of the buildup has already melted away, and if there is any left, it will come off by the moment you run your fingers through it. And that's it. You don't have to do anything else other than to continue washing your wig. I will have a full video of how to wash your wig at home soon, and I will link it below once it's ready. But this method is gentle for your lace because you don't need to rub the lace, no brushing, because all of this is damaging for your lace. It causes bald spot because the hair breaks off, and sometimes it damages the lace by causing the lace to tear and rip. So I haven't tried this method on glue because I usually do not use glue because I like to take my wig off in the evening, so there's no use for me to use glue. But if you've tried this method by using glue on your lace, let me know if it works. Let us know if it works in the comment section below. And there you have it, guys. There you have the clean lace, gently cleaned. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and kindly subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Remember, I have a free ebook where I teach you all the tools and accessories you need to make your own wigs at home. Read my blog Wigs.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Burning